going to be restoring an old froe. A froe is used for making split rail fences. So they will make split rail fences by taking their board, putting the froe on top of it, and then hit it with a hammer on this side, and then hold it here, and it would go right through whatever they wanted to put through. But unfortunately, I can't give you a good demonstration because right after we got it, the handle came off. And that's half the reason I want to restore it. The other reason is somebody spray painted over the blade and the handle, which had not been properly finished. So as you can see here on the blade, it's all chipped and it's as dull as can be. And at the top here, it's got hammer marks in it. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to hammer out the ridges in the back of the froe. And I'm going to use the coal forge for it.
For no particular reason?
For no particular reason, just because I really kind of want to. So what I use here are old cherry wood handles that didn't turn out right. And I'm going to use those as kindling. And then as soon as they're lit well enough and turn into charcoal, I'm going to put the coal on top of it. And you see, this here is so flammable that I barely have to even touch anything. Don't have to put anything on it, and it'll just light right up. See that? That's what I really like about cherry wood. Don't have to do anything to it, and it lights right up like that. I definitely didn't put any lighter fluid on that or anything like that. It's just like, you don't even have to put lighter fluid on it. No lighter fluid. See, guys? Yeah, it's burning so well. Like, don't even have to put any lighter fluid on it or anything. It'll just burn right up perfectly without adding anything at all. Like, at all. You don't even have to like add anything to the fire, and it just burns kind of well, I guess. I mean, I've seen better, but you don't even have to add anything.
Just to give you an idea on how hot this is, I'm gonna stick a leaf in it. Do you see that, guys? It's actually burning.
Whoa, it's actually burning.
It's incredible.
Whoa.
Look at that. It's like
I think it's burning.
a teeny piece of ash now. That's incredible. That's so cool. I don't think I've ever seen that happen before.
Me neither.
Pretty sick. But yeah, that's how hot it gets. I mean, it can actually burn a leaf.
Wow.
Definitely out of the ordinary.
It's about there. I'm going to pull it out. So I'm using this railroad track here. One, because it's actually really good metal. And it works incredibly well for an anvil. And two, because it's a straight shot from the forge I was using to it. That way I don't have to walk around the table and use the normal anvil. Now I'm gonna see if I can heat treat the blade, but for that I'm gonna be using the propane forge. I do not have enough oil, so I'm gonna see how I can do this. Bro, look at that, dude. I can't see you. Bro, that is not supposed to happen. Stop, hold on, I gotta fix this. I can't even see it. What is happening? The oil's boiling. I'm gonna die of, I don't know, lung cancer. What is this? Ah! Bro, the oil's boiling.
It smells horrible.
Yeah, it does. That's insane. This looks awesome. I'm gonna have some some experienced blacksmith talk to me and be like, yeah, you just ruined everything about that project. So I'm putting an edge on it now, but there's still so many chips. I'm gonna have to take it right across the grinding belt to try to even those ridges out. Alright, got that rough edge on it. I'm gonna put a finer grit on and even it all up. That's way, way sharper than before. Alright, I've got the handle here, and what we're going to do is going to take all of this silver spray paint off and polish the handle. Now I'm gonna coat it in cherry stain. Need a little bit more. There we go. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna coat it in our special wax mixture. So what this wax mixture does is it makes the handle slightly more shiny. What it also does is it makes it really, really, really smooth and feels really, really good in your hand. There we go. Got too dark last night, so I'm back here again, and I'm gonna make the wedge for the handle. Oof, I burned it. Way too hot. Oof, that's burned. As you can see, it got too hot and it burned and melted and it's all rippled now. So, I'm gonna have to start over. Alright, now I've done it properly. I'm gonna take it to the grinding wheel, make it a little bit shorter, and clean up the edges. Alright, now I've got this wedge made, and we're gonna hammer it into the top. We were doing the last step in the handle split when we tried to put the wedge in. This handle's not gonna work, so join me next time when I make a new handle.